Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Come For Me with Alicia keys featuring Khalid and Lucky Daye. So what a great collaboration here and a great song, Come For Me. So this one is very easy. We only have 3 chords here. No need for any capo. So let's start with the A minor. So A minor is open A, second D string, second G string, first B, and open E. So that's your A minor. Then the second chord will be C. So third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be F. So you bar all strings here on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And there's your 3 chord, guys, in that order: A minor, C, and F. And we only need to learn one strumming pattern, and that strumming pattern will be like this. We will illustrate it with an A minor. Alright, so down, up, clap, down, up. Or you can do up, up in the end, so it's up to you. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. So yeah, that is the strumming. So again, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. So that is what you need for this song. Since that is how it goes through the entire song, you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for the A minor, then 1 for C, and 1 for F. And then it goes like this all over again, round and round, from the beginning till the end here. So 2 A minors, 1 C, and 1 F. That sounds like this. A minor, C, F. Down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down. So that is how it goes, guys. So very easy, and that's it for this song and this tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you, and if it was, please come back to this channel and watch out for new tutorials here, new songs, but also old goodies. So welcome back and see you soon, guys. Don't forget, play tuned.